guys, it's Paige over at Desert Wind Harley-Davidson, and we're back with another Red Friday. Red Friday is a way to show your deployed troops some support by wearing red on Friday, and we're here with our friends from Down and Dirty.
Hi, we're Down and Dirty, coming to Desert Wind Harley-Davidson this Friday, wearing red, and receive one of these Down and Dirty patches.
Come on down, see us.
Okay guys, tell me a little bit more about Down and Dirty.
Yes, we're Down and Dirty. We are a non-profit organization that started from a group of volunteers. We help injured riders and their families.
So you've been in an accident. You're in the hospital, you're laid up, but your bills still need to be paid, your refrigerator's got to get stocked with food, and that's what we're here for, to provide love, support, financial assistance wherever you need it.
So we'd like to thank the American Legion Riders Post 27 for launching us and getting us off the ground and getting the word out there about our organization. The American Legion Riders have been very supportive for us.
Supporters of our mission.
We support all vets and Arizona riders. Okay, wait a minute. Ask that question again. Off the ground, we like to help all vets, but we help
Civilians?
we help all Arizona riders.
Okay, there's going to be a lot of that
And we feel the need to, we're very... If you can
You got enough to piece together?
Oh yeah, plenty.
Desert Wind Harley-Davidson.